Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our retractable bed step on 2015 to 2019 Chevy and GMC 2500 and 3500 trucks. Let's get into it. Our retractable bed step for 2015 to 2019 GM 2500 and 3500 trucks makes it easy to hop on up into the bed of your truck, regardless of the circumstances. The step tucks up and out of the way when not in use, and you can easily extend it by stepping down on the pad when your hands are full and retract it when done. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this low-profile step makes it convenient to access the truck bed day in and day out. Whether you're loading gear, reaching for tools, or simply hopping into the bed, this is a simple upgrade your truck's been missing. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2015 to 2019 GM 2500 and 3500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. So one of the first things we're going to do, we're going to take our linkage arm assembly and our main brackets and place them where they need to be. We've got 3 threaded holes, 1, 2, and 3. From here, we're going to take 2 of our 13mm combo bolts, put them where the 2 threaded holes next to each other are. For our 1 threaded hole, we're going to take our 13mm hex bolt, a lock washer, and a flat washer. Tighten those up for now. Now go ahead and fully tighten these 3 bolts. Next, I'm going to take my assembly, flip it like this. I'm going to take my support bracket, where our 2 threaded holes are right here. You're going to place a support bracket just like this. Next, take 2 13mm combo bolts and hand tighten them for the time being. All right, we're going to take our assembly, move it to the side, and grab our bed step. You can see here. Go ahead and flip this over. We're going to take 2 of our T-bolts and put them in each C-channel here. Okay, now we've got our retractable bed step assembly over here. We're going to take our bed step and line up the 4 T-bolts with these 4 channels here. We're going to take a flat washer along with a lock nut and hand tighten these for the time being.
Once this is done, we are ready to install it on the truck. Now, we will make our way behind the bumper underneath the truck on the driver's side. Here, we will locate the 2 21mm bolts that we have to remove, as well as where we will install our bolt plate. First, we will remove the 2 21mm bolts. Now we are going to take our retractable bed step assembly and raise it into place over the 2 bolts we have removed. Line up the holes on the bracket with the holes on the truck and hand thread the bolts back in. Now we will install our bolt plate into this location here. Insert the bolt plate through the mounting location and into the hole on the bracket. Now that the bolt's in place, take a flat washer, a lock washer, and a 13mm nut and thread them onto the bolt. Hand tighten it down. Back at our 21mm bolts, we will now fully tighten them. Then, fully tighten the 13mm nut on the bolt plate. On the retractable step mechanism, fully tighten the 2 13mm combo bolts from the support bracket to the main bracket. Now, adjust the step to your preference, and then fully tighten down the 4 13mm lock nuts.
Well, that about wraps up for the installation of our retractable bed step on 2015 to 2019 Chevy and GMC 2500 and 3500 trucks. If you're a fan of that bed step, head on over to boostauto.com to check out all the products we have to offer for your build today, such as these tow mirrors or these cab lights. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.